Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming to you every day until Christmas Day. It's the 2025 Christmas Spectacular. That means videos every day at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And when you want to know when I go live to review other cooking videos, click the bell notification. All right, cheesy garlic mashed potatoes. As you can see here, we have a pot of boiling salted water, and I'm going to add roughly about 5 pounds of potatoes to this pot. 4.5, 5 pounds. And then we're going to boil them till they're nice and soft, you know, where there's just a little bit of resistance when you put the fork in. Takes about 20 minutes or so. All right. See everyone 20 minutes later. Okie dokie, as you can see here, the potatoes are already kind of falling apart. And I have 1/4 cup of butter, or about a half a stick. 6 cloves of minced garlic. I just added a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. And then you want to add a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Then you want to add a 1/4 cup of sour cream. Then you just want to get a hand mixer and mix these until they reach a nice consistency. If for whatever reason you're having a little trouble and they're a little too dry, feel free to add a bit more heavy cream. Looking for something a little bit like that after a couple of minutes. Then put some in a bowl, top with a bit more cheese, and of course some freshly ground black pepper. And that's really it. Makes a perfect side dish for any holiday meal that you and your family may have. Even makes a great little addition to any sort of office potluck or anything like that. But that's cheesy garlic mashed potatoes. And with the pepper on top, it's done.